that's how we try to operate here at Ascendian and Accenture, to try to get people to not just understand the concept or understand the tool, understand the shiny new toy, but actually understand what does it solve under the hood? What does it enable you to do? What are the first principles that are behind this? Why is this needed? Why is it even worth considering or using? And what is the standards and safety around it, right? So I'll leave you this for a couple of final thoughts. Three questions for your CTO tomorrow. Are we building custom APIs for AI, or are we standardizing on MCP? Number two, do our agents have identity aware authorization at every call, right? Do we have access controls baked in? How are agents being managed right now? And then where's our integration graveyard, and how fast can we pave over it? What is the integration graveyard? Where, you have a bunch of connectors built and GitHub repos that are just sitting there not being used. But someone somewhere built them somehow, right? And they were intended towards something, and they were a good idea at the time. And maybe they still are, but it was just really hard to do before, and it got a bend. But now there's a way to reconsider old conversations and old ideas in a new light.